Hello student, this is Mohammad Sohail and you are watching your YouTube. Today we will discuss LIFO method of pricing materials. Students, as you see in this method, the material which are received first should be issued at first. ठीक है ना? Received last should be issued at first. It is a method of pricing material in which the assumption is that the material which is received last shall be issued first. बच्चे ये सब मेथड में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो मटेरियल को पहले इशू करते हैं जो लास्ट में आता है, लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ लिफो इज लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस मेथड वी शुड इशूड मटेरियल विच इज़ रिसीव्ड एट लास्ट बट दैट शैल बी इशूड एट फर्स्ट. दैट शुड बी कॉल्ड लिफो मेथड ऑफ प्राइसिंग मटेरियल. इफ़ वी आर डूइंग सो and by following this method, the stock which is lying, the unsold stock and the closing stock should reflect the earlier value and the current price. Okay, that is very clear. The last in first out method should be used, and it is used by following the assumption that the stock which should be received last shall be issued at first. Under this method, the value of closing stock lying in hand shall represent the earlier value. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे आप जानते हैं हर चीज़ का कुछ एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस होते हैं, वैसे इस मेथड के भी कुछ एडवांटेजेस हैं एंड कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस है दैट वी शुड डिस्कस नाउ. द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट मेथड इट इज़ यूज्ड दैट, देखिए ये जो हम लोग मेथड कर रहे हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये एग्ज़ाम के एस्पेक्ट से बहुत ज़्यादा पूछे जाते हैं. सो हम लोग इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में और बहुत ब्रीफ तरीके से पढ़ेंगे ताकि हमें ये सब चीज़ आराम से याद हो जाए. एडवांटेजेस: दिस मेथड इज़ सिंपल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड ईजी टू ऑपरेट. दिस इज वन ऑफ द सिंपल मेथड टू कैलकुलेट द प्राइजेज ऑफ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक एंड टू मेंटेन स्टॉक अंडर लिफो मेथड इज़ वेरी ईजी एंड वेरी ईजी टू ऑपरेट. सेकेंड advantages is it is suitable for slow moving. If we have working with the slow moving product, then it is suitable for the slow moving bulky material with a high unit cost. According to this advantages, we can say that if the stock should be bulky and it should be easily calculated. So under this method we can suitably slow moving product should be easily movable by the help of LIFO method. The third advantages is the price shows the true economic value. This issue is near to the current economic value and it shows the true economic value of product as we are following the last in first out method. So the last closing stock lying in hand should disclose the current economic value. The last point is in case of rising prices, if there is an inflation and if there is an increase in price, then these methods give the better result. So if this method has some advantages, but students, these methods had some disadvantages too. One of the first disadvantages of this method is that the comparison of one job with another job is very difficult. Under this method cannot make inter comparison, or we should not make comparison between the two. Okay. The second disadvantage is in case of falling price, this method is not suitable when the prices are falling because we are using LIFO method. LIFO means last in first out, so it will reflect it will not reflect the true value. The third disadvantages of this method is the frequent purchase make calculation complicated. If we purchase frequently, then it will make the calculation very, very complicated under this method. And the last method is unrealistic method and it is hardly used in any firm and industry. So these are some of the explanations of the LIFO method. I hope you will understand this method. Let me recall all the points one by one and once again. What is LIFO method? LIFO method of pricing of material is the assumption in which the material which are received at last should be issued at first. Under this method, the stock lying in hand shall represent the true economic value and the earlier economic price or the earlier economic value. Take care. The students, we have some advantages of this method and some disadvantages. Last in first out method is suitable for calculation and it is easy to operate. This method is very simple and it is easy to operate. This method is only suitable for the slow moving. Matlab, student, we can say that this method is suitable for the slow moving goods. Slow moving and bulky material should be easily handled under this method with a high unit cost. And the third advantages of this method is the issue price is near to current economic value. the issue price that reflect its true economic and current economic value. The last point is, in case of rising prices, if the prices are rising, this method is suitable and gives true result. The last and the disadvantages of these methods are, comparison from one job with another job is very difficult. In case of falling price, this method is not give better results. Frequent purchase will lead to the complications of calculations. There should be arises of the chances of the complexities, so the chances of complexities is very more in case of LIFO method. This method is unrealistic and hardly used anywhere. Okay, so these are the explanations of the LIFO method. I hope you will all understand this small topic. This is very important topic as for your examination aspects, so please do let it learn, let others know that these are the important topics that should be asked frequently in the examinations. I hope you all are safe. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.